Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Quant, we are trading at $167.19. 24-hour volume, we're up 36%, and market cap, we are up 2.71%. All right, so heading over to our daily chart here, you guys, I do want to show you a few things here. So most importantly, the RSI. So we can see that the K line is at 52% and the D line here is at 59%. So we can almost predict that they are going to be colliding, and as soon as we see the white line on the left hand side, it's going to initiate a buying opportunity. Now we can see these RSIs here bounce really nicely on the 50% of our marker, which is again pretty good because we are holding on support at the 50% instead of falling and be considered to be overbought. So this does give us a bigger picture that if we bounce off really nicely on 50, that there is a good audience that wants to buy into quant that's pushing the price even higher. Now, a few things here on the MACD indicator. We do see that the indicator itself is getting lighter in the color, which is going to prepare us for that crossover that we see that triggers that buying opportunity for quant itself. I'm going to switch over to the high Kanashi candles because high Kanashi candles, it does show us the overall trend. And again, it does show us the momentum of the trend currently it is right now. So we have a high here on Monday, October 17th, and we've been through this huge selling phase, okay? Because the high that we achieved again was the $228 and continue to come back down. So we are still in this bear trend itself until again we can be able to initiate that buying opportunity, because as soon as quant gets that buying opportunity, it skyrockets. So that's kind of something that we are going to be anticipating and looking for in the next couple of days. But taking a look again at the candlestick here compared to yesterday's candlestick here, buying pressure. We've got the huge candlestick wick at the very top, a little bit more shorter at the wick at the very bottom, and of course the body itself. If we continue to have the body bigger than compared to yesterday's red candle, then we do have the momentum to trigger that buying opportunity that we are going to see in the next couple of days. So heading over to our 4-hour time frame, okay, 4 hours, we're going to take a look at a few things here. Again, with the RSI itself, it's going to trigger a selling opportunity here. So the RSI that we see is at 53, currently right now at 49%. The pink line here is at 42%. Here is a buying opportunity when we see the white line above the actual price or above the pink line here. We see it bam here in the candlestick. Most importantly, pair it up with the MACD indicator. Beautiful alignment that we saw here. The Bollinger Bands may be narrowing in, meaning consolidation, hitting resistance, coming down to an area of support. And you guys already see roughly around the resistance area here at 61%. Now, we did break above the 20 moving average in the last formation of this candlestick. However, if we don't continue this momentum above the 20 MA, we are going to see that consolidation from a higher point of view resistance and a lower point of view of support here at the 159 all the way to 170. We may see that price kind of going up and down. If we're able to hold the 20 MA, which is this moving average orange line, then it's only going to help quant in the continued uptrend here, and we may not see that reaction of our Bollinger Band squeezing in. So we may see that pullback or that expansion of the Bollinger Band. So let's take a look here again at the 2-hour time frame. So we can see the RSI compared to the 4 hours, essentially the same. It's going to be gearing up for that selling opportunity from the 4-hour to the 2 hours as well. We're going to switch it over to high Kanashi really quick here. Again, here we see red candle lighting up in the MACD indicator. So those two combined is going to change the trend of the direction. Going back into our candlesticks or our regular candlesticks here, we can already see this candlestick shooting star at the very top. If you're not familiar with shooting star candlesticks, normally if it's observed at the very top of an uptrend, it shows weakness of the uptrend and exhaustion of that uptrend, and the characteristic is either a small wick at the very bottom or no wick at all. The body at the very bottom of the candlestick range, and the wick is twice the size of the body. So again, here is our shooting star candlestick that essentially is going to gradually come down. And if we see an area of support here, we've got a few candlesticks here that's retracing closer to our fib retracement tool of 23%. Notice here, it is closer to the 20 moving average, which is going to be a high area of confluence, a high area of interest. If we can hold this area, then price is going to bounce very nicely in another uptrend itself. If not, then price again could possibly fall all the way down to $159. So again, we do want to take it with a grain of salt. Having quant come down to 159 is not a big, huge impact. Personally, if we did buy it at a high, then yes, and held it until it dropped to 59, huge impact there. But again, we want to take a look at the dips itself. Could be possible opportunities for people wanting to get into quant, because Bitcoin right now is vastly growing with the amount of audience that's wanting to get into Bitcoin at the moment. So just kind of keep that in mind. I hope you guys have a good luck today in your trades. Let me know down below how you're doing, or let me know what you guys think about quant as well. Like and subscribe to the channel, but I'll see you next time. Bye.